What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best selfie stick tripods that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The DJI OM5 has earned the prestigious title of the best stabilizer selfie stick tripod for high-end smartphones. While high-end smartphones offer impressive in-camera stabilization, for those seeking cinematic camera movements and enhanced creative control, a dedicated mechanical gimbal remains unparalleled. DJI's latest Osmo Mobile 3-axis gimbal, the OM5, takes a proven design and enhances the experience. This new iteration is thinner, lighter, and more flexible. It features a telescoping selfie stick for added versatility. The package includes a 3-axis folding gimbal, magnetic phone clamp, twistable tripod stand, carrying bag, and wrist strap. The gimbal handle is crafted from metal, high-quality plastic, and rubber elements, housing 6 physical controls including a joystick, zoom slider, and camera switch. It supports both horizontal and vertical recording modes and enables object tracking directly from the handle. The built-in telescopic extension bar extends up to 215 mm with an adjustable angle of up to 90 degrees. Despite its slim design, it works seamlessly with DJI's Memo app. The trade-off for its slimmer profile and telescoping functionality is a reduced battery life of 6.5 hours compared to the OM4's 15-hour capacity. Overall, with its refined design, telescoping feature, and valuable app additions, the DJI OM5 is the pinnacle of smartphone gimbals. Measuring 10.41 by 4.37 by 3.63 inches and weighing 0.64 pounds, it offers exceptional value for money, solidifying its status as a high-quality and recommended product. The GoPro 3-Way 2.0 has rightfully earned its place as the ultimate GoPro selfie stick tripod. A highly regarded accessory, it streamlines your video gear setup by reducing the need for multiple connectors. Unlike its predecessor, which had a tripod option within its handle, the original 3-way mount's tripod functionality lacked stability for long shots like time-lapses. The updated 3-Way 2.0 addresses this limitation with a stronger design. In this enhanced version, the handle's bottom transforms into a robust tripod mode, featuring 3 larger, heavier legs for improved stability. The selfie stick mode benefits from a clever hinge design that allows you to conceal the pole in your shots, while the direct capture mode caters to longer sessions without tiring your hand. Notably, the upgraded tripod isn't the only enhancement. The grip now features a clip mount, replacing the older finger mount, simplifying the attachment of your GoPro camera. A new ball joint beneath the mount enables versatile camera rotation, including 360-degree movements for capturing that perfect shot. Whether you're shooting sequences or group photos, the 3-Way 2.0's 3-in-1 grip, tripod, and extension arm offer versatile shooting options. The product, available in sleek black, measures 8.66 by 8.66 by 2.17 inches and weighs 8 ounces. With these improvements, the GoPro 3-Way 2.0 is a must-have accessory for enthusiasts seeking top-tier quality and enhanced usability for their GoPro experience. In the quest for budget-friendly yet high-quality products, the Erligpowht selfie stick tripod stands out as the top economical choice. This 2-in-1 selfie stick combines Bluetooth-enabled features with a foldable tripod stand, providing a cost-effective and compact solution for capturing moments. Its sturdy tripod conveniently tucks into the handle, offering stability for photos and videos. Compatible with both Android and iPhone devices, it includes a wireless remote control for easy capturing. The Erligpowht selfie stick offers an affordable option for those seeking a compact selfie stick with Bluetooth connectivity and tripod capabilities. Its lightweight design ensures effortless deployment, making it a valuable companion for travelers and vloggers. The wireless remote allows for quick and simple selfies and background captures. Notably, the robust telescopic arm and dependable swivel mechanism contribute to its ease of use and reliability. However, the Erligpowht selfie stick's affordability is reflected in its materials, featuring a plastic handle and a disposable battery for the remote control. This trade-off impacts its longevity, necessitating careful handling and operation, particularly for adventurers or frequent users. Weighing only 4.8 ounces, its lightweight design and comfortable grip make it user-friendly. The remote CR2032 battery can be replaced, ensuring continued functionality. For an entry-level product, the Erligpowht selfie stick tripod offers a blend of convenience and affordability, although users should be mindful of its plastic construction and battery usage. The Atumtek selfie stick is a meticulously crafted device that combines resilience and compactness, setting it apart from the crowd. With its commendable design featuring rubberized feet and a foldable shape, it effortlessly tucks away in bags or pockets. The standout feature of this selfie stick is its robust telescopic arm, strengthened with an 89 coating, and aluminum hinged tripod legs, showcasing its durability. The Atumtek selfie stick isn't just about sturdiness, it's a versatile 3-in-1 Bluetooth selfie stick that extends from 7.7 inches to 31.3 inches. Its remote can establish connections up to 30 feet away, granting freedom for capturing shots. Moreover, the phone holder offers a 270-degree rotation and a sliding mechanism for landscape mode, enriching photography possibilities. The inclusion of aluminum hinges under the tripod legs bolsters stability, ensuring a firm stance during use. The device features a wireless remote controlled by a rechargeable 5-volt lithium battery, accommodating up to 15,000 shots on a full charge. Despite its features, the Atumtek selfie stick weighs merely 6 ounces, making it a lightweight and convenient companion for those on the move. Overall, this model delivers outstanding performance with an unbeatable price-to-quality ratio. If you're in search of a product that offers exceptional value for your investment, the Fugetek 51 Professional Selfie Stick Tripod stands out as a top recommendation. Regarded as the ultimate blend of a selfie stick and tripod, the Fugetek 51 delivers unparalleled versatility, making it an excellent choice for travelers, vloggers, and anyone who values the stability and adaptability of a tripod during content creation. This innovative device boasts an integrated tripod, Bluetooth remote control, and an adjustable phone holder. Remarkably affordable considering its potential for professional quality footage even with cameras, the Fugetek 51 features a detachable Bluetooth remote that operates effectively from up to 50 feet away and is compatible with both Android and iPhone devices. Weighing just 1.05 pounds, it's impressively lightweight. Whether used as a selfie stick or tripod, its telescopic rod extends to a maximum of 51 inches, enhancing your reach for capturing various angles. The tripod's height adjusts easily with 3 settings: 19 inches, 31 inches, and 51 inches. While the interconnected tripod legs enable uniform length adjustment, its foldability is essential for transitioning between modes. In selfie mode, simply retract the telescopic rod, while in tripod mode, fold the legs and position your phone by screwing the holder, allowing for angle adjustments. The Fugetek 51 Professional Selfie Stick Tripod is a remarkable tool that offers exceptional value, catering to both professional and casual users alike.